Your Google Business profile has a powerful secret weapon that most businesses completely ignore. The products and services sections are among the most underutilized features available, yet they provide direct signals to Google about what you offer and help customers find exactly what they need. Most business owners focus on categories, reviews, and photos. But the products and services sections do something special. They give Google detailed information about what you actually sell or provide, and they help potential customers self-qualify before they ever contact you. Setting these up correctly improves your search matching and increases relevance for specific customer queries. Google treats products and services as separate features with different capabilities. The services section is structured as a categorized list, perfect for service-based businesses like plumbers, lawyers, dentists, and consultants. You define custom categories, list services under each one, and add descriptions up to 300 characters. You can also include pricing if it makes sense for your business. The products section functions like a mini storefront. It supports images, detailed descriptions, pricing, and links to product pages on your website. While it's designed for businesses selling tangible goods, many service businesses use it creatively to showcase service packages. Products are more visually prominent on your listing because each one displays with an image. Before you enter anything into the GBP dashboard, outline your service categories on paper. Group related services together in a way that makes sense to your customers. A dental practice might organize into general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, restorative dentistry, and emergency services. A plumber might use plumbing repair, water heater services, and bathroom remodeling. This logical organization helps both customers and Google understand your business. You have 300 characters per service description. Use them strategically. Include what the service involves, who it's for, and a differentiating detail about how you deliver it. For example, describe leak detection using acoustic and thermal imaging technology, or professional teeth whitening that lightens teeth up to 8 shades. Avoid generic descriptions, keyword stuffing, and promotional language like best in town or cheapest prices. Add pricing when your services have standardized rates, when price transparency gives you a competitive advantage, or when customers frequently ask about pricing before booking. Use price ranges when service costs vary based on scope or when you want to set expectations. Omit pricing when every job requires a custom quote or when displaying prices might deter qualified leads in high-end services. Make sure your services section reinforces your category selections. If emergency plumber is one of your GBP categories, your services section should include emergency plumbing services with appropriate descriptions. When Google sees your categories, services, and business description all consistently reference the same service areas, it increases confidence in your listing's relevance for those queries. Now that you understand how to properly set up your products and services, you're ready to see how these improvements impact your bottom line. Get your revenue impact report and discover exactly how better GBP optimization converts into real business results.